So right here, this is the restaurant. And we're just checking the sewer line. What, you don't want to talk to me? How about I take you on the court, bust a move on you? Get right to the low post, give them the up and under bucket. We got a tool that works finally. Let's set it up. I think recording this thing. Yeah. We have multiple sewer clog up here, and we're gonna get a shot, see what the hell's going on. Today is National Sewer Day. Yeah, the other day we had a serious block up and did not get the shots, but we got some constant flow. 2 block ups in 6 months, so we're going to get the shots with the camera here. Get a kill shot. Get some Bobby. Oh, baby. Oh, right there, look. It's cast iron.
Yep.
That's a problem. Old cast iron, that's the deal.
Where'd the black ball go?
It's in my tool bag. I hope it's still there. We're almost inside the building. And this is a restaurant, folks. A Mexican restaurant. I'll have some appropriate music for this video. It looks good though. A little bit of grease right there. We're gonna take it all the way in. I like to flush the toilet, Ange, once we get it in here.
Is it open?
He'll open it up for us. He's out back doing something. Just loaded with grease. Not bad though. Not bad at all. We're 40 feet in. What's this? Oh, here's a Y. All right.
Go.
So that's a fitting right there. That's probably the grease trap. So maybe we can run the sink in there and see what happens.
Let's see if the door's open.
Yeah. Okay. Right now, Angelo went in to run the 3-bay sink because I think the Y, is right there. It's going to be the Y itself. Out of the grease trap. We should see that run any second. You got something running water. I don't know why he has running water, but to me, that's going to be a plumbing leak. Oh, there it is. Here comes your white. Here comes your grease trap, right here. Hold on one sec, Ans. Can you shut that right off? I want to show you something. You got water running somewhere.
What do you mean, like a toilet leaking?
Like someone has a leak. It's been running the whole time I've been here.
Are you sure nobody's taking a shower?
I don't know. I'm just going to show you. I don't know. I have no idea. Maybe. I don't think it's that much water. It's not a shower of water.
It might be a toilet, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't call.
They don't fall. They don't care. What's water?
I didn't want to grow over in Pleasantville. I got a fucking 7-unit building in Pleasantville. My fucking water bill, especially American Water, they fucking...
Oh, they kill you, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, here, it's slowing down now. Come on. Your shirt looks good, by the way. I'll send you a copy. You know what it is? It's a cast iron.
Yeah, I
It's
know.
PVC right to here, cast iron. But what we could do, I'm buying a new machine that has the grinders. we maybe do that one day.
Just take the scale in.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't get it yet. It's coming.
Yeah. All right.
This way you ain't got. Here's a grease trap. He's running. It's just slowing down now. All good. All good up till there.
What's up, man? You all right?
But see this water? See, that might be someone taking a shower, huh?
Could be. Yeah. Yeah.
Looks soapy, maybe.
Yeah. Could be somebody taking a shower.
Yeah. So this is going. This is. I'm 40 feet in. 41. Here's another Y right here. Maybe that's your bathroom there. Flush that toilet, Ange, in there.
Yeah. You know where it's at?
Yeah.
Because like this was the grease trap. This might be the bathroom. But it's a game changer, dude. There's no more guessing. Did you flush it?
Yeah.
Maybe this is a floor drain.
Nah, there's no floor.
Now here comes. Here's the toilet. We must have missed it. It must be back further. I don't know what this is.
Could be. There's a couple sinks.
Oh, there's a turd. Saw that.
There's a couple sinks in there.
Okay. Want to run? Want to run them?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Let's run them. We'll make sure we get it comes out. This way we can see it. It's 42 feet in.
Can I put them both on or just the one on? Because there's one over here and then there's one over here.
Let's do the one on this side. See what's that one. How classy is this, dude? You know?
Could be this apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this apartment.
It would be on the left side.
Yeah.
You should be getting a lot more water now, are you?
I think I'm past it. I'm going up.
Going up to.
I'm 50 feet in now. Something's still running. I'm looking at it.
You could turn the other one on?
Yeah, well, you turn them on the way out. We'll see it too.
Alright, so turn this one off.
Yeah, you can shut it off. I must be past it. These lines ain't in bad shape. They're not great, but there's another Y. Let's see if it's this one. This might. See, that's something running right there. That might be him right there. You know? Come on now. Oh, there goes some water. Yeah, this is someone running. This might be you.
Yeah, the sink I just turned on. Let me shut it off.
They might be both. They both might be tied into there.
What's that?
The both sinks might be tied into that line because that line's been running for a while now.
Okay.
Yeah, shut it off and I'm 60 feet in just about. You know, it's a wrap, dog.
I'll wheel it. You wipe it.
I'll do it. I don't give a crap. I want to show him.
Show him the cast iron.
Yeah. Here, you can watch this whole thing as I bring it out. I can actually put this on your phone too as an app. Yeah, it's crazy.
You guys are high tech. I got this text. I thought it was one of my Tinder dates or something.
There it is. Boop. That's a ball of grease right there.
Right where?
40 feet in.
How big is it?
I don't know.
So that's 4-inch pipe.
Yeah. Yep. Now this is right by your. This is your grease trap. That's right past the grease trap.
So where's that ball of grease at?
37 feet from here, or maybe more. So
it's before the.
this is before the grease trap.
That's a big fucking whatchamacallit, isn't it?
Yeah. It might be toilet paper, who knows? But this is, it calls it 40 feet, and this is, we'll call this 5, so 35 feet in.
Yeah, but I mean, so it's not. It's somewhere.
It's before the grease trap ties in, probably on the other side of the grease trap. Because this is one straight run, there's no 45s or nothing, this goes straight in. And it's all pretty decent. But
No, except for that fucking.
yeah, except for that ball of
How
fun.
big do you think that ball of grease is?
It's big. But what happens, grease, when it gets cold, balls up like that.
Right.
You know? It usually sticks to the top of the pipe.
Is there anything I put in that fucking?
I never did find out about the hydraulic acid. Andrew, text me right now and write that about the hydraulic acid.
Because what would you do? Have to pull a toilet and fucking dump it in?
We can flush it right down the toilet.
You could. Okay.
You're the one who told me about the hydraulic, right? Was that you?
Yeah. The
Yeah.
hydrogen peroxide.
Hydrogen peroxide. There's got to be something, dude.
Yeah, because I don't, because it.
See here, we're right here. Here's your PVC. It goes from PVC. It's right here.
Right.
They fixed it or something.
I replaced the fucking.
All right, folks. You see what we got? We got a pretty clean line. Going to get the grinder in there. My new Ridgid Flex 309 is coming. I'm going to hit it with the chains when the time comes. He was happy. I'm happy. Until then, we'll see you at the next one. What do we got?
What we got?
What we got?
What we got?
It's Friday.
Oh, 10 minutes.
Can't tell you what time we're quitting today, but 12:30. What we got?
Not sure.
Check both ways. And there goes another satisfied customer. Have a great weekend. See you at the next one.